He had curiosity about his education.
Nagkaroon siya ng curiosity sa kanyang pag-aaral.
His curiosity is outstanding.
Kapansin-pansin ang kanyang curiosity.
I checked our curiosity to play.
Naniniwala akong darating ang kapatid ko.
We have curiosity for them.
May curiosity kami sa kanila.
It is curiosity.
Ito ay kuryosidad.
My friend's curiosity is interesting.
Interesante ang curiosity ng kaibigan ko.
Curiosity is the best thing.
Yung pag-usisa ay ang pinakamagandang bagay.
Their curiosity is showing everything.
Ang kanilang pagkamausisa ay nagpapakita ng lahat.
I want to have curiosity.
Gusto kong magkaroon ng curiosity.
You must do it out of curiosity.
Dapat mong gawin ito dahil sa curiosity. Iyon ay gawaing pang-usisa.
Curiosity is optional.
Optional ang pag-usisa.
Curiosity was shown there.
Doon ipinakita ang kanyang curiosity.
He will have curiosity about the job.
Magkakaroon siya ng curiosity tungkol sa trabaho.
Curiosity and inquiry must be met.
Ang pag-uusisa at pagtatanong ay dapat gawin.
As curiosity is clear.
Malinaw ang kanyang curiosity.
I need your curiosity.
Kailangan ko ng curiosity mo.
It depends on your curiosity.
Depende sa curiosity mo.